This is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3, and honestly, it might be one of the smallest tech gadgets that can save you thousands of dollars. Garmin claims this tiny little camera can disappear behind your mirror while still capturing everything that matters on the road. But after digging into expert reviews and real-world testing, I found there's one thing you absolutely need to know before buying it. So, is this the perfect set-it-and-forget-it dash cam, or is the small size hiding some compromises? Let's talk about it. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is Garmin's latest ultra-compact dash cam, designed for drivers who want security without sticking a giant screen to their windshield. It's basically the stealth option in the dash cam world. Released as an evolution of Garmin's popular Mini lineup, this camera focuses on simplicity and discreet installation. It records in 1080p, supports voice commands, and connects to the Garmin Drive app for cloud video storage and remote viewing. And here's the key selling point. This thing is tiny. Seriously, it's small enough to hide behind your rear view mirror, so you barely notice it while driving.
Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in the real world? Here's the thing. For a camera this small, the video quality is surprisingly solid during daytime driving. License plates are generally readable at close range, colors look natural, and exposure adjusts quickly when moving from bright sunlight into shadows or tunnels. Where the Mini 3 really shines is how effortless it feels to use. Once installed, it basically disappears into your car. There's no giant display distracting you, no complicated menus, and no constant fiddling with settings. And honestly, that matters more than people think. A lot of dash cams sound great until you actually live with them every day. Some are bulky, some constantly beep at you, some randomly disconnect from apps. Garmin has clearly focused on reducing friction here. Voice controls are also genuinely useful. You can say things like save video without taking your hands off the wheel, which feels safer and more practical than tapping tiny buttons while driving. But it's not all perfect. Nighttime footage is decent, but not class-leading. In darker suburban roads or poorly lit highways, fine details can get soft or grainy. If crystal clear night plate recognition is your top priority, there are larger premium dash cams that perform better.
Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, because this is where Garmin gets smart. First up is the ultra-compact design. And this isn't just about aesthetics. A smaller camera is less distracting, less likely to block visibility, and honestly, less tempting for thieves. It's the kind of gadget passengers might not even notice. Then there's voice control. You can verbally tell the camera to save footage, take a snapshot, or start and stop audio recording. That sounds minor until you're in a stressful traffic situation and realize you don't want to take your eyes off the road. Another cool feature is parking guard functionality. When hardwired, the camera can monitor your vehicle while parked and alert you if an incident occurs. So if somebody bumps your car in a parking lot and drives off, you've potentially got evidence waiting in the app. And speaking of the app, the Garmin Drive ecosystem is actually pretty polished. You can sync clips to your phone, review footage, and even access cloud-stored videos if you subscribe to Garmin Vault. Design and build. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 looks clean, minimal, and incredibly discreet. It's made primarily of matte plastic, but it feels durable and well-assembled rather than cheap. And the size? Honestly, impressive. This thing is tiny enough to tuck almost completely behind your mirror, which keeps your windshield looking clean and uncluttered. That's a huge advantage compared to larger dash cams with oversized displays hanging in your field of view. The adhesive mount also keeps the setup stable during driving, though it does mean repositioning isn't as flexible as suction-mounted competitors. Cable management matters with dash cams, and thankfully, Garmin keeps things fairly streamlined here. Once installed properly, the whole setup can look nearly factory integrated. Pros: easy daily use with reliable voice controls, smooth app integration and optional cloud backup, great install it and forget it experience. Cons: no built-in screen for quick playback. Some advanced features require subscriptions or hardwiring.
Final verdict.
So,
who is this for and is it worth your money? Look, if you want a simple, reliable, ultra-discreet dashcam that you barely have to think about, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is honestly a really compelling option. This is especially great for commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who values a clean-looking interior. Garmin focused on convenience and stealth instead of flashy gimmicks, and for a lot of people, that's exactly the right move. Now, if you're the type of buyer who wants the absolute sharpest nighttime footage, a large touchscreen, or advanced driver assist systems, there are higher-end dashcams from brands like Blackview or Nextbase that may suit you better.